What is a case study and what are the critical elements that you need to know in order to design a good one? You're going to find out right now. Hi everybody, I'm Leigh from teachingacademia.com, and I'm all about giving you the tools you need to navigate academia and make your best impact. Today we're talking about what is a case study, and we're just going to look at understanding the definition of a case study design and some of the critical elements that go into doing case study research. All right, so first of all, what is a case study? It is an empirical research design, okay? A case study is not something that is less than, okay? It's not less than a experimental study. It's not less than a quasi-experimental study. It's not less than an ethnography, okay? It's also not greater than, right? So it's neither better nor worse any of these other designs, okay? It's just designed to do something specific, and it's designed to do something that's different from any other kind of research design. It does its own unique thing, all right? So it is an empirical research design. It does answer a question. It does contribute to our knowledge base if it's done correctly and done well. You will be building on existing literature and helping us understand a problem in a much more greater, significant, in-depth way than we have previously understood a problem before. So that brings me to the second point there. It investigates a phenomena, okay, or a phenomenon, right? So you are really looking very closely at an issue and you are seeking to build understanding around it, okay? That third point there with a case study, you are really understanding something that is critical to that particular phenomenon, and you are working to build out an argument or a theory about why something is or isn't present in our society. We are looking at understanding an issue better, all right? Now, to do that, you're going to use multiple sources of data, and this can be both qualitative and quantitative data. So a case study is in no way only exclusively one kind of data, usually, okay? So a lot of times people will think that a case study is only qualitative data, right? Like it's only observations, it's only interviews, or it could be observations and interviews, but you can use, assessment data, you can use surveys, you can use all kinds of things that are quantitative in nature to, help you understand that phenomenon and build out that understanding, get into those different textures and layers of whatever it is that you are studying. But you do use multiple sources of evidence. So you're not going to use just interviews. You're not going to use just surveys. You're not going to use just observations. You're going to design a study that uses multiple sources of evidence to really dig deeply and look at that issue critically. You're going to look at it broadly, and you're going to look at it, with breadth and with depth as well. So that's the basics of what a case study is. And if you like this, you want to know more, follow me on over, and I'm going to see you in the next video.